Hello everyone, Xbox One power issue. So the customer said the Xbox before it has a problem to turns on. He has to unplug a plug till it's got it to turns on, but this time it stopped working completely. So plug it to the power. We have the orange light here. Is not responding to the power button. So let's try another power. This one here is new from the customer. So he got this power, but he said the Xbox still have the problem. Like you see now, this plug is not connected to the Xbox and it has a red. If I connect it, so let's go green, the Xbox turns on. So connect the HDMI. And we have the picture. So it works, but let's do something else. So I unplug the power box. I'm waiting for it to discharge. I'm gonna leave it plugged here. So still the red light is still holding the charge. Wait till completely goes off.
That's the picture, the ugly picture.
So here the power break, and we're gonna plug it. So it's still plugged to the Xbox, and I'm gonna plug it to the power. It's green. It's powering on. So how to open these caps? There is 4 of them. There is a little hole. You're gonna need to stick a tweezer or some sharp. There is a little hole. A little hole over there. You stick the tweezer all the way like that. Then you grab it up. Right there, like that. And this is a security T screw. So if you don't have the screwdriver to open this one, like in my case right now, I'm going to use a flat screwdriver to remove the metal pan. Okay, let's crack it off. So now I can use just a regular T screwdriver. Beside the one it has a hole in it. Yep, and can open easily. So let's open this one. Be careful to this LED cover. So this is the fan here. If your fan is dirty, you can clean it by unscrew here, and we're gonna do it after we check the power supply. Did you see the problem? Already did. This is the bad capacitor here, and we're gonna need to fix this capacitor. So this is 1500 microfarad, 16 volt. Yep. So you guys gonna go find me one like this one.
Huh?
1500 1500.
1500.
Like this one. Yeah, 1500. Go look for it.
100,000.
The one like this one. 1500.
Okay.
So you see it? Doesn't matter the color, blue or green or brown. Just need 1500. One five zero zero. One like this one. You have the plus. This is the bed capacitor. You can see it is pumping and swells from here. Okay, let's take the ESR in a bed capacitor and see how much capacitance in it. So this capacitor is tested at 600 microfarad, 1.6 ohm. So it's very high ESR and very low capacitance. It's like a half. So this one. (2000 microfarad and 0.2 ohm. So I don't have the 15 microfarad, but this is just a filter capacitor. The 2000 microfarad, it will work. So the negative side, it should be in the negative side. Where the negative side in the board should be the same negative side in the capacitor. So it's time to try it. Before that, let's check the fan on this one because yep, the fan is dirty. What is the brush? So maybe that's why the customer said sometime it work, you need to unplug it, plug it to get it to work. So let's test it. So I plug the power brick to the Xbox. So let's plug it to the power. So we don't have the orange light, we have the white light now. The Xbox turns on. And it works. Yeah. It works. So I'm just going to have to clean the fan inside the Xbox, and it's ready to go.